Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, July 27, 2025 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, July 27, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas ang para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng July 27, 2025 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas ang para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. the result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Sunday, July 27, 2025. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Super Lotto 649 for July 27, 2025, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Sunday, July 27, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.